Nagaland Student Union.
This is our special guest for this, okay? He is our committee. He's a inspector in railway police. This is when someone was lost, no? So through him, we check the railway station. If we know somebody is there, if anything, we'll just inform without any delay.
Next match will be Annal versus Marine. Women's tug of war. Annal versus Marine.
Right.
Okay, we have a player, so we'll play right now. The match will be between Lamkang versus Mau. Lamkang versus Mau, women. Versus Mau. Please report to the ground. Lamkang versus Mau. Okay.
Number 15.
nice. We should also.
Volleyball men's in charge. Who conducted the final game?
See, it is all
Nagaland Student Union Bangalore Sports Meet.
Women's tug of war. After this, there will be a match between Annal versus Marine. Players, please get ready. After versus Tangkul. Post which it will go to quarter-final. That is Kumai versus Lotha. Whichever tribe you belong to, if you are going to participate, please report to the court. Men's volleyball final.
You have taken all this, no? Covered all.
No, because live stream.
Nice. Football भी हो गया, volleyball भी हो गया, basketball still going on. Tug of war, of food stalls. Bro, we got one. We'll go try in front or how? No. Yeah, so I know taking much of your time. Just want to know what exactly is this event, what this event held, and who all are present, how many communities are came together.
So this happens organized by Nagas Friends Money Bank. Nagas Friends Money is it takes money of all the Nagas who are residing here in Bangalore. We say the nomenclature is students living. However, we get into the roots of all the Nagas students whether they're working or whether they're students. Now today is one of those events where we look for every one of us look forward to one student. So this one is a yearly ritual and culture that we conduct in order to promote unity amongst us. As we all know, Maoris people we love sport. So that's the whole point of organizing this event and to promote the brotherhood and sisterhood that we have. In terms of people and members, we have Nagas from Nagaland also, we have Nagas from Dimapur also.
Sister, where are you?
We Nagas are big scattered. So we all come together to play sports together to promote the friendship that we have and the brotherhood and sisterhood that we have. So that's basically what
How many days was this event?
it's for 2 days. Yes, only 2 days.
What all games in the
Like a traditional game like the football, basketball, volleyball, and then we are implementing women's community also to encourage women into the sports as well. In terms of soccer, so we have introduced the women. As we all know, the current president of women's soccer country, a little bit of women about that as well. On top of that, athletics, we have the running race, relay race, 100, 400 meter race, right? And on top of that, we have the badminton, table tennis. So it's an amalgamation of all the games. Yeah.
To complete like an Olympic.
Yes, complete.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
So we have juniors and seniors.
But at this point of time, we do have two categories. One is for kids Yes, and then we just organize some small games for them, and on top of that, we outdoor games, and that's of course our own teachers. For the extreme games, yes.
Really see forward as well. Hopefully next year we also be able to do not only Nagas but combining the whole Northeast states. As we are working together to unite the whole Northeast states. Hopefully next year, probably after the beginning of May, we will definitely come up.
You guys for 9 November.
Right? So we have, are you aware about the program in May?
Yes, we heard the news about it, but we will definitely coordinate in terms of how we can participate, and we look forward to it. Thank you so much for letting us know.
Really? So we would want all the people of Northeast to be present online. Because this is not particularly for any states. No caste, no tribes. It's like just one Northeast. So we are putting up for all the Northeasters to come here, participate in, encourage yourself and enjoy your time, and meeting and uniting with the rest of the Northeast people. Despite forget about who is from which state, who is from which tribe.
Yes.
We also we are Northeast.
Yes.
So that is our motto, the unity of the Northeast. This 9th event is happening. Please inform all your members and all your community people to cover the
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot for your time.
Yeah. My name is Matthew.
Thanks a lot for your time. You have the good work. So hopefully next year we be able to have similar type of sports event to the United Forum. Right now we will go, we have just come across for the Naga student meet that for the sports, and this has been really great. We see this as a great unity and I would say an encouragement for the society and the people. They're really enjoying it. Games, awards, everything. Good time.